Number 4, part 2. So let's do a walkthrough and see how we use what we've learned to think about titles and descriptions.
So when it comes to creating titles and descriptions, we simply need to do what we did in the previous videos, which was the competitive research. And as you can see here, we have the videos 1, 2, and 3. And of course, we have the main keywords. So we have this main keyword here. So that's definitely going to be in the title. And then of course, if you noticed, the target audience was beginners. So essentially what you're noticing here is that people are calling out the audience, and then of course they have the keyword in the title itself. And then of course you want to make sure that title, main keyword, and target audience is also going to be in your description. Now, one thing that I noticed was when we took a look at the Instant Pot Chicken, you could write out something like top 6 easiest things. So instead of things, you could say chicken recipes or pot roast recipes to cook in your Instant Pot. Or you could say something like Instant Pot Chicken dash top 6 easy recipes, or top 6 easy chicken recipes that take less than 30 minutes. Now, as far as the description goes, if you take a look at what they've written here, the first one that's ranking really well, as you can see here, we've got Instant Pot 101 for beginners. So you'll notice that they are trying to target the keyword Instant Pot 101 for beginners. So they've stated that in the title, and they've also put it in the description. You'll notice that they use the keyword beginner, Instant Pot twice. And then, of course, they got Instant Pot hacks, Instant Pot yogurt. And what they're essentially doing here is they're linking to other related videos. Now, Google's smart enough and YouTube's smart enough to have an algorithm to read the description and think, okay, they've got other videos that they've created that are related to Instant Pot. This video must be good, or this channel must have a lot of relevant information. So we're going to rank it a little bit higher because it's going to give people what they want to see. So now we look down here, it says Instant Pot Chicken. So this is the lady who is ranking really high on Instant Pot, but also Instant Pot Chicken. So it says cook with me as I try a new recipe with my Instant Pot. So we can see the keyword Instant Pot here. And as you can see, the description is really written for the user, but it contains the keywords that are necessary. So you don't need to write something like Instant Pot Chicken or something that's just a bunch of garbled information. You want to make sure that the title and the description attract people first and foremost, and then embed the keywords within. So the third one, we've got top 6 easiest things to cook in your Instant Pot, perfect for beginners. So it says, today I'm sharing with you the 6 easiest things to cook in your Instant Pot. So you can see here, the title is here, but the title is also in the description. The title and the description will actually show up in the YouTube search engine, as you can see here. So we've got the title, we've got the description. So we want to make sure that the first sentence in your description is catchy as well.
So we've spent a lot of time going over the process of coming up with titles and descriptions and why it's so important. Now it's time for you to spend some time to go through your own keyword research and start to practice crafting some titles and description combinations. You should test them, enter them into keyword research tools and into YouTube search and see what you're getting. And make sure the title and the first few sentences of the description draw the viewer in. This is as you practice just putting together examples. This is something that you should always be looking for. But even after you post your video, keep experimenting with titles and descriptions for that same video, incorporating your keyword research, incorporating different combinations. It's a constant process, and if you're not getting traffic to a certain video, it could be something that you could change in the keyword that would make a big difference.